today, right now. Do it! Please. Hey Divine Dolls, I'm back and today I will be doing a business tip video for you. Yes, hashtags, hashtags, hashtags. But before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button today and turn on the notification bell so you can be the first one to be notified whenever I upload. So let's get into it. So I will be talking about hashtags for Instagram. I have used hashtags to help people find my business always, always, always. And it's definitely a good idea that you use it as well. But I wanted to share something that I had recently found out that I had been doing wrong. So I want you to know as well. So the main tip that I want to say is to not use the same hashtags over and over again. I did not know that Instagram shadow bans you. Oh my God, really? So it's a great idea to be very unique with your hashtags and don't use the same one, even though it's very, very easy to just copy and paste, copy and paste, and copy and paste. But they say that you're not supposed to do that, and you definitely probably have seen the difference. So use different ones. Go to your Instagram and go to the tag menu, which I will definitely demonstrate in this video. And I have not figured out how to do the two screen thing, but it's all a work in progress. But once I figure it out, I will let you know. Okay? So go to your Instagram app, click on the tags, and then type in whatever business tag that corresponds to what content you post, and click through, and you will see that there are top ranking hashtags, and also there are lower end hashtags. But I have learned that you should not use, this is tip number 2. My bad, a little organized. Anyway, this is tip number 2. Go to your Instagram. Oh my God. Okay. Go to your Instagram and go to tags, and then you'll see a higher ranking of hashtags that correspond to your platform. So they have said that you should not click on the ones that actually have more posts. You should probably go within the range of like 5K, so it'll be easier for you to be found. And I just recently found out that that is so true. Before I shot this video, I definitely wanted to test it out and see if it was correct, and I got some more followers. Even though I actually have 20,000.7K followers on Instagram, my goal is to have more engagements. So that definitely was beneficial. So now I'm getting ready to switch over to my Instagram app and demonstrate to you how you can find tags that correspond to your content. Okay, dolls, so I'm on my Instagram. I'm going to go over to the Explore page, click on the search bar, and go over to tags. This is where you would type in any tag that is related to your content. But keep in mind, do not select hashtags that are the most popular. So my recent tags are all about boutique life, lifestyle, or anything related to fashion. As you see, North Carolina has a lot of hashtags for boutiques. So right there you would see you can click on any other items that are related to any content that you're posting. Always, always keep in mind, do not select the one that has a lot of posts. So they say 5K is the best one, but it's to your discretion, to be quite honest. But don't do like 1 million. That's going to be ridiculous and you will never be seen. So it's all about being seen in the demographic that you're looking for. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel and stay tuned for more.